Most of the reports created for your store will be viewed using the Report Center form. This form displays a list of all published reports organized into folders. The layout of these folders is defined in the Report Catalog Designer, which is covered in one of the other setup session lessons. The reports themselves are designed using the Report Designer, which also has its own setup session. When you open the Report Center, you will see the entire report catalog. Begin by locating the report you want to view and click on it to select it. If the report has a default filter assigned to it, that filter will be selected in the Select Filter drop-down list. You can leave that filter as is or select another filter from the list if you want a different set of data. To view the report in the standard table layout, click the Open as Table button. The report will open in another pop-up form. Once the report is open, you can search for items or change the report filter using the standard search and filter processes. See the Tech Talks on Fast and Simple Searches and Data Filters for more information. If you want to print the report, click the Open as HTML button, which will open the report as a web browser page. The data will be the same as that displayed in table mode, but the report will include a title and subtitle, graphics, and possibly footer and header notes. The contents of the web browser view are determined by the report layout assigned to the report. Watch the setup session on HTML report layouts for more information. In some cases, you may wish to export the contents of a report, either to send it to someone or to do further analysis in a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel. To export a report, select it, then click the Export button. In the Save File dialog that opens, enter the name of the file, select the directory where the file is to be saved, then click Save. The contents of the report will be saved to the specified comma-separated value, or CSV, file. This file format can be opened by most spreadsheet applications. Note that the export file will not have any of the formatting applied, only the basic text and numbers are displayed. As a convenience, buttons are provided to open the Report Designer and the Report Catalog Designer from the Report Center. However, if the application roles assigned to you do not include permissions to view or use these forms, these buttons will not be visible. Some of the Dragonfly reports are collections of calculated values rather than just tables of data from the database. These reports are configured as data snapshots. To view these snapshots, click on the Data Snapshots button to open the Snapshots form. This button will only be available if you have the required permissions to use it. Begin by selecting a date range for the data you are interested in. The drop-down menu lists the most commonly used date ranges, but you can also set the From Date and To Date individually using the date pickers. The available snapshot list shows all the defined snapshots. Select the ones you want to include in the report, or click the Check All or Uncheck All button to quickly change your selections. You can change the order in which the snapshots appear in the report using drag and drop in the list. Once you've selected the desired snapshots and their order, click Open as Tables to fill all the snapshots with data and display them on the screen. If you want to print the report, click the Open as HTML button instead. This will display the report as a printable web browser page, adding a report title and subtitle. Watch the setup session on Defining Data Snapshots for more information. If you have a set of snapshots that you view frequently, select the snapshots and set their order, then click the Save or Save As button to save the selections as a snapshot set. When the form is used, you can then select the desired set to use, and the saved selections in order will be displayed and ready to view.